Did you know that some lizards can detach their tails to escape from predators? Fascinating, isn't it? In the vast, vibrant realm of nature, lizards hold a special place, boasting an array of intriguing abilities and characteristics that set them apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. Today, we're going to embark on an exploration of these fascinating creatures, delving into some of the most captivating facts about them. Let's start with one of their most notorious skills, tail autotomy. This is the remarkable ability of certain lizards to detach their tails in order to evade predators. When a predator grabs onto the tail, the lizard can voluntarily sever it, creating a quick distraction that enables them to make a swift escape. But don't worry, these lizards are remarkable regenerators. Over time, they can grow back their tails almost as good as new. Now, let's talk about the chameleons, the masters of disguise in the lizard family. These creatures are famed for their color-changing capabilities, but did you know that this is not merely a camouflage tactic? Chameleons change color in response to various factors such as temperature, light, and even their mood. Their vibrant transformations are a unique language in itself, communicating their feelings and intentions to the world around them. And what about those long darting tongues? Many lizards, such as the geckos and iguanas, possess unusually long tongues which they use with precision to capture prey. Their tongues can be up to twice the length of their bodies, and they can shoot them out at incredible speeds, making them formidable hunters. From their detachable tails to their color-changing skin and long, fast-moving tongues, lizards are a treasure trove of intriguing facts and fascinating abilities. Each of these characteristics serves a purpose, contributing to their survival in a world filled with challenges and threats. Now that we've piqued your curiosity, let's dive deeper into the wonderful world of lizards. Lizards are not just your average backyard creatures. They come in a myriad of shapes and sizes. A captivating testament to the power of evolution and adaptation, lizards have spread across the globe, each species having its own unique set of characteristics. Let's start with the Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on Earth. Native to the Indonesian islands, these massive creatures can grow up to 3 meters long. Their size doesn't just make them imposing, but also allows them to take down prey much larger than themselves. Armed with venomous saliva, the Komodo dragon is a true testament to the survival of the fittest. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the geckos. Small, agile, and often seen scurrying on walls, geckos are known for their remarkable climbing abilities. The secret behind this lies in their feet. The pads of a gecko's feet are covered with tiny hairs, allowing them to stick to even the smoothest surfaces. Next, we have the chameleons, masters of disguise. With the ability to change their skin color to blend into their surroundings, chameleons are the epitome of adaptability. Their eyes can move independently, providing a near 360-degree view of their environment. This, coupled with their long sticky tongues, make them excellent hunters. Let's not forget the iguanas. Living in a variety of habitats from rainforests to deserts, iguanas are known for their distinctive dewlaps, the flap of skin under their necks. They use these dewlaps for a variety of purposes, from attracting mates to regulating body temperature. From the massive Komodo dragon to the tiny gecko, the adaptable chameleon to the versatile iguana, lizards are a diverse group of creatures that continue to captivate us with their unique adaptations and survival strategies. Each species is a testament to the power of evolution and adaptation. Indeed, the world of lizards is filled with a fascinating array of species, each with its own unique traits. From the driest deserts to the densest rainforests, lizards have adapted to inhabit a wide range of environments. Let's delve deeper into the extraordinary adaptability of these fascinating creatures and the diverse habitats they call home. In the arid expanse of deserts, where water is scarce and the sun blazes down relentlessly, you'll find lizards such as the spiny-tailed agama and the sand-dwelling skink. These lizards have developed unique survival mechanisms to cope with the harsh conditions. They burrow into the sand to escape the midday heat, and their skin color helps them blend in with the sandy environment, making them invisible to predators. Contrast this with the dense and humid rainforests, where the green anole and the flying dragon lizard thrive. These lizards have developed the ability to change their color to blend in with the lush green foliage, a perfect camouflage from predators. The flying dragon lizard even has the ability to glide between trees, an adaptation that is as mesmerizing as it is practical. If we ascend to the high mountains, we'll encounter the viviparous lizard, a species that has adapted to the cold, thin air by developing the ability to give live birth. Unlike most lizards that lay eggs, this unique adaptation allows them to survive in an environment where eggs would freeze before they could hatch. Interestingly, lizards have also found a home in our urban environments. The common house gecko, a familiar sight in many homes, thrives in cities. They've adapted to the artificial lights and structures, using them to their advantage to hunt insects and find shelter. From the scorching deserts to the bustling cities, lizards have evolved and adapted in remarkable ways to survive in a variety of landscapes. Each habitat presents its own challenges, and yet, these resilient creatures have found ways to thrive, demonstrating a diverse range of survival strategies. The adaptability of lizards to diverse habitats is truly a testament to their resilience and survival skills. Each species has carved out a niche for itself in its chosen environment, showing us that life, in all its varied forms, finds a way to persist and prosper. Beyond their physical features, lizards exhibit a range of behaviors that are equally fascinating. Let's delve into the world of these scaly creatures and uncover some of their unique behaviors. Starting with hunting, lizards are strategic predators. Some, like the Komodo dragon, use their venomous bite to subdue their prey. Others, such as the chameleon, employ a different approach. With a tongue that can stretch up to twice its body length, the chameleon snatches its prey in a fraction of a second. Moving on to mating rituals, these are no less intriguing. Male lizards often perform elaborate displays to win over females. The Anole lizard, for instance, extends its brightly colored throat fan, or dewlap, and performs push-ups to attract a mate. In some species, males may even engage in combat to claim a female. Communication among lizards is also fascinating. They use a variety of signals, from body postures to color changes. For instance, the bearded dragon communicates by bobbing its head, while the green anole can change its color based on its mood, temperature, and health. Speaking of color change, let's not forget the chameleon, the master of disguise. Chameleons can change their color to blend into their environment, effectively hiding from predators. This is done through special cells called chromatophores in their skin, which can adjust the balance of pigments. But it's not just about camouflage. Chameleons also use color change to communicate, with different colors reflecting different states of mind. Social behaviors among lizards vary greatly. Some species, like the desert night lizard, live in family groups, while others are solitary. The marine iguana of the Galapagos Islands is known for its communal sunbathing, where large groups gather to bask in the sun after a cold swim in the ocean. From their hunting techniques to their social interactions, lizards are complex creatures with behaviors that continue to intrigue scientists. As we continue to study and understand these fascinating animals, who knows what other astonishing behaviors we'll uncover? So, what have we learned about these scaly creatures today? Well, we've taken a fascinating journey into the realm of lizards, those intriguing reptiles that boast a diversity as varied as the landscapes they inhabit. We've delved into the rich tapestry of species that make up the lizard family, each with its unique characteristics, from the chameleon with its kaleidoscope of colors to the Komodo dragon, the largest of its kind. We've discovered that there are over 6,000 species of lizards, each with a story to tell, each playing a vital role in our planet's ecosystem. We've explored the different habitats that these creatures call home. From the arid deserts where the desert iguana basks in the sun, to the lush rainforests where the gecko clings to trees with its sticky feet. We've learned that lizards have adapted to thrive in virtually every corner of the globe. From the highest mountain peaks to the deepest rainforest floor, their habitats are as diverse as the lizards themselves, reflecting their amazing adaptability and resilience. And let's not forget the behaviors that set lizards apart. We've seen how some lizards, like the frilled lizard, use elaborate displays to ward off predators or attract a mate. We've marveled at the chameleon's ability to change its skin color to match its surroundings, a remarkable feat of camouflage. We've also learned about the unique social structures of some lizard communities, like the spiny-tailed agama that lives in large colonies. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of lizards and learned something new along the way. But remember, our exploration doesn't stop here. There's always more to learn about these fascinating creatures, so keep exploring. The world of lizards is full of surprises, and who knows what amazing discoveries await us in the future. So as we close this chapter, let's keep our eyes open and our minds curious. We hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of lizards and learned something new along the way. Remember, there's always more to learn about these fascinating creatures, so keep exploring.